Welcome to How's That Pronounced? Videos to help you with commonly mispronounced words. Today's word is the verb present. 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 Listen and repeat. She will present her research at the conference. The teacher presented the lesson in an engaging way. Dr. Smith will present her research in a series of lectures this spring. The company will present a new product line next quarter. Stay tuned for the next video. Bonus sentence, here we go. Presently, the presenter is giving a presentation and will present a present to the president later. Faster. Presently, the presenter is giving a presentation and will present a present to the president later. Wow, I can't believe I did that in the first time. See if you can do it.